What's up, y'all? I'm doing a little quick how-to. Basically, I just replaced the Honda window switch on the 2000 Honda Civic. As you can see here, this is the old one right here. It's the old one. The reason why I had to replace it because if you look inside, hold on, I'm sorry. If you look inside that hole right there, that piece is not supposed to be showing like that. But anyway. See that? See how I did that? I can get it clear. So anyway, it's supposed to be a smooth click in and click out, but it's not. It's like you got to force it. And these switches is a knob turn. Like this knob right here, you're supposed to turn it, you know, like that. That's how you're supposed to turn. But this one, when you turn it, it drops. The actual whole switch drops down a little bit, and once it drops down, the wipers will start acting up. So basically you remove this top piece and this bottom piece by these. There's three screws under here. There's two screws that's in here. You take those out, and there should be another, if I'm not mistaken, well, maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, there you go. There's supposed to be there's another screw hole right here. Oh, sorry about that. Another screw hole right here. Hold on. I don't know how I got this zoom thing on. But anyway, so you take those three out, and basically you separate these two trims with like a trim tool, pop them loose, and you turn the steering wheel this way, and once you open it up, you'll see there's two screws like right here and right here that goes into these two holes. You take those out and use a screwdriver and pry in this part, and it should slide right out. Disconnect this. It's a connector that goes right here. You disconnect that and then install in reverse. Quick and easy. Yep.